Hello, let's fix it simple. If your Google account keeps asking for verification again and again, and you can't sign in properly, don't worry. This problem is very common, and you can fix it step by step. By the end of this video, the Google account verification loop will be fixed, and your account will work normally again. This issue usually happens because of a sync problem, cached data, or a temporary error with your Google account. It's not your fault, and you don't need any apps or technical skills to fix it. First, open your phone settings. Now tap on Apps. Scroll down and find Google Play Services, then open it. Tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Make sure you do not clear data. Only clear the cache. This step is very important. Now go back. Still inside Apps, find the Google app and open it. Tap on Storage again. Now clear the cache. This helps reset the Google verification process and removes temporary errors. Next, go back to the main settings screen. Tap on Accounts. Now tap on Google. Select the Google account that is having the verification problem. Tap on Account Sync. Make sure all sync options are turned on. If something is disabled, enable it and wait a few seconds. Now go back. Tap on the three dots in the top corner. Tap on Remove Account. This will remove the Google account only from this device. It will not delete your data from Google. Removing the account helps reset the verification loop. After removing the account, restart your phone. Wait for the device to fully turn on. Once your phone is back on, go to Settings again. Tap on Accounts. Tap on Add Account. Select Google. Now sign in with your Google email and password normally. Follow the verification steps if requested. As you can see, the verification loop is gone. Your Google account is now added successfully and working normally again. If the problem still doesn't go away, there is one extra step you can try. Go to Settings. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time is enabled. Also, make sure Automatic Time Zone is turned on. After that, repeat the same steps from the beginning. In most cases, this will completely fix the problem. That's it. Your Google account verification loop is fixed. Thanks for watching.